I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. 10 ways to manage stress in 2024. The beginning of a new year is often a time for reflection. How did last year go? Did you manage the stress that comes with being a physician or businessman or government employee or unemployed? Or did it overwhelm you? Here are some tips to help combat stress while finding more joy in the new year. Number one, try a proven way to sleep better. Sleep is the best for mental health. Learn how to tell whether your anxiety is protective or problematic. Number three, stop the worry cycle. Number five, practice 5 things: tidying, trash, dishes, laundry, things with a place and things without a place, one at a time to help. Cleaning feel more manageable. Number 5, embrace gratitude. Number 6, being optimistic about aging. Number 7, participate in the arts. Number 8, look for a little bit of awe every day. Take a tech break. Number 10, take a deep breathe. One of the fastest, easiest ways you can calm your mind and body is by taking slow, deep breaths. Thank you very much for watching this video. ठीक है सर जी,
ठीक है। गोली वाली नहीं की तरह